Good morning everyone, I'm Akshat. I have prepared my CLAT journey from BLI and secured a seat at GNLU Silvassa. I attempted close to 117. I don't remember clearly the exact digits, but as far as I remember, either I attempted 117 or 118 questions. Most 118 questions. The marks which ma'am gave us were with par in the difficulty level. I'll say they were a step ahead with the actual CLAT exam. So because of that we were able to prepare good. It is the lengthy section, yes. It is a thing to be tackled. It is a difficult section, to be very honest. I'll say there's no other mantra to it. I'll say practice and analyze. The main thing is analyze. Practice, analyze where you went wrong, and even if it is correct, go through it again. Analyze. Analysis is the main thing. When you start attempting maths, go through the questions. First of all, attempt the one in which you are really confident that I can go through this question. And just in case if there's a question which is hard enough that you can't tackle it, it's better to leave. Although you shouldn't leave, you should try, but it's better to leave. For maths, I'll suggest that especially if you are from a non-maths background, please practice daily at least for half an hour. Maths is a really crucial section. Do not leave points. Practice is the main key to maths. That's it. What I did was first of all, analysis part. It is the main thing. It is the main thing to go through a whole of a CLAT exam. If your analysis skills are good, you can identify the question which will take you time or not. आप देख के पता कर लो कि इसमें मुझे time लगेगा नहीं लगेगा. And if you analyze, it will take time. Skip for the time being. Don't skip it. Skip for the time being. Attempt the questions in which you are confident, and then attempt it at last. And I'm sure you will be able to attempt it because you will have plenty of time by then. All teachers are equal, first of all. But my personal favorite Shweta ma'am, obviously. She not only helped me with my studies, she used to listen to every one of my issue whenever I used to come to her. And it's true, I'm not just blabbing. No. She is really a good listener. I'll give her this. She is really a good listener. It can happen. It can happen to everyone. You can't solve everybody's problems, all right? But the least you can do is listen. Ma'am is a really good listener.
In front of us, कोई final thought है? बात तो आपकी हो चुकी होगी, but just
बोलना तो कम ही होगा, but this whole of my CLAT journey was really possible because of you. I had some interest in law. That's why I chose to give CLAT. But when you taught me law, it was a different experience for me. I'll say that whatever you taught me, obviously, law being a new subject will look hard in the first glance for me. But you taught in such a way that I was able to grasp that knowledge.
this is not scripted, right?
It's not scripted.
I was not prepared.